If you hear a strange sound coming from your kitchen at midnight, stop and listen closely. These are the rules you don't want to break. Rule 1. If something moves in the fridge when you open it, don't look too closely. It's watching you. Rule 2. If the water in your glass starts moving on its own, don't drink it. It's not water, it's counting your fear. Rule 3. If objects start pointing at you, leave the kitchen immediately. Your shadow may already be walking behind you, and the most important rule, never linger. Midnight in the kitchen isn't for humans, it's for something else.